Well, there
Wait.
it goes. So,
Ano?
Wow.
Should we wait?
yeah,
Okay, let's go.
Let's wait
Yeah.
for the others. Hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Oh, si Ralph.
Hi Ralph.
Hey, guys. So, sorry medyo biglaan. We're going to have a short IG live with Evan. So, ayun, kumusta naman kayo? Oh, I hope you guys are good.
Oh,
Ikaw, Evan, how are you?
I'm good. Pinaghihintay lang po nila ako dito sa taping.
Grabe naman.
Hindi, sobrang, hindi ko pa kasi seen. Oh, hindi ko pa kasi seen. So, I'm just waiting for them. And puro siya yung busy ngayon. Kaya yun.
Ayun, so we have 14% before my phone dies. So, I want to show Heaven the teaser of our Pasabay series. Just the teaser, not necessarily the trailer, but the teaser. So, ayun. How was your experience pala filming this
This,
series?
Pasabay?
Yeah, this series.
Pasabay, well, masaya. Masaya talaga. Tsaka mabait nung mabait talaga siya. Sabi ko sana anak ninyo. Just like sa fans. Like, yeah, si Gino sobrang bait. And sobrang gentleman niya. So, I'm lucky to work with him. And sobrang swerte lahat na makakatrabaho si Gino. Yun yung masabi
Grabe
ko.
naman.
Yeah.
Of course, working with Heaven is such a pleasure, diba? She's one of the best actresses in the country. Huh?
Okay.
Grabe.
Okay, eto na. So, sinend niya sa akin yung teaser, guys.
Okay.
Let's see, panoorin natin. First reaction ko to, okay? So, reaction live video. Tignan natin. So, wala dapat hindi dapat ka naman lumeng. Right?
Yeah. Or a little bit. Ikaw.
Wait, may AirPods ako!
My AirPods. Prepared.
Nandito si Ate Candy, guys. Hi, Ate Candy.
Si Ate Candy, she's a jack of all trades. Lahat. Light prod, DA, everything. Everything you can think of.
So, you can
So
hear.
I'm going to listen to it for the millionth time.
Excited ako, guys! You know? Oh! Hey! Oh, I remember this one.
Ayun.
Sobrang cute ng teaser, wait! Ang galing.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Every time she says yes, there's an octave higher. Yes.
Yes.
Of course.
Of course I like it. Ang ganda ng mga shots. And natawa ako. I mean, sa sobrang konti ng oras na yun, kinilig ako.
Ikaw, you liked it? You liked it? Yeah. I'm excited for everybody else to see it also. So we're still fixing a few things. So, but yeah, definitely the teaser will be out very, very soon.
Okay guys, so this na yan, September 24, first episode ng Pasabay sa WeTV app. Kaya download nyo na yan at panoorin na. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye. Okay, how do I end? This one?
This one. Boss naman. This one.